welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to make Lyonnaise potatoes or Saute potatoes or potatoes any can do. So before we start guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video you'll be the first to get notified and you'll see the amazing goodies and delicacies I've posted there. So let's get started. So the ingredients for our saute potatoes or Lyonnaise potatoes are: you're going to need some potatoes, coriander, that's dhania, these are yellow peppers but it's optional. You can use the red one or the green one. I had a little bit of yellow peppers in my fridge, so I used them. And also lots and lots of onions guys. Like for you to achieve the best saute potatoes, you need a lot of onions. So let's get started. So our potatoes are ready, and these actually cook more faster than the chips ones. I think because of surface area to volume ratio. Kama ulikuwa rada chemistry, you can relate to it. So they actually cook faster. Like mine, I think I've cooked them for about 9 minutes. And as you can see, I told you, you let them be crunchy, as you can hear. Be crunchy on the outside but soft on the inside. So yes, they are ready to be removed. So what I meant guys by saying crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside was, like, let's take a potato for instance. As you can see, it's crunchy, but when I break it, it's super soft. As you can see, it's super soft on the inside. So in a pan, we are going to heat some oil. Don't put too much since we have deep fried our potatoes, so you just need a little to saute your onion, just enough to saute your onions. So for me, I've put about 2 tablespoons. I'll put in my onion. We don't want to overcook our onions. We just want them to saute and soften a little bit, but don't let them brown. Just saute them under some medium heat or low heat until they are soft. That can take us about 24 minutes. So guys, I have a little trick. So if you want your onions to saute faster and also soft without getting them brown, just add some salt. It will help the onions sweat down, and also the saute process will take less time. So now you know. Our onions are ready. Right now they are not frigid, as you can see. They are softened up. So next I'm going to add my yellow pepper, but But as I told you, you can add the green pepper, red pepper, any that you have. I had the yellow one, so that's what I used. Yeah, pepper is ho-ho, ho-ho. For those who are wondering, pepper. Yeah, pepper is ho-ho. So I used the yellow ho-ho. Yeah, yellow pepper, capsicum. So now I'll add my dhania. Just give a quick stir, just to set them a little bit. So my dhania are good to go. I like my ho-ho crunchy, so I don't want much heat to be applied to it. I just love them steamed a bit. And so our vegetables are ready. So it's time to add our potatoes. So gently mix in. Make sure you don't break the potatoes as you're stirring in. Just slowly, guys. So make sure they're all mixed well. So our sauteed potatoes are ready. So at the final stage, what I like to do is just sprinkle some turmeric, but it's optional for me. I just love the aroma of turmeric, so I just season mine. As you can see, just a little bit. I love the aroma it gives in the potato. Just give a quick stir. Just give everything a good mix. And yes, our sauté potatoes, our Lyonnaise potatoes are ready. So it's time to plate our potatoes. They look delicious, guys. Wish you were near. I could have cooked for each one of you, special for my subscribers. So our sauteed potatoes are ready. This looks so sweet, guys. I can't wait to have a taste of it. So I'll give a bite. I wish you could see my facial expression right now. Too bad I don't have a cameraman, but the moment I'll get a cameraman, you'll be seeing this facial expression. The taste is so heavenly. Let me sprinkle some coriander. I love coriander. So guys, give it a try. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment box. I'm just a text away, and I shall help you with any inquiry you might have. So karibuni. Saute potatoes, Lyonnaise potatoes. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. So thank you guys. So I'll just have some bit of bubbling cold Sprite. I was kidding guys, it's just water. But next time I'll make sure I have some Sprite. Yeah, it's just water guys. So thank you.